Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable video stabilization on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first let's go to camera and we are in photo mode now. Let's set it to video mode and go to settings. This gear icon in the top left corner, tap it and we are in the settings menu now. You see this video stabilization item, it's turned on by default. You can turn it off if you need. Later I will explain you for what reason you may want to disable this feature, but now let's enable and go back to the camera. And here you have one more icon. This is hand icon. If you tap on this icon you will enter the super steady mode. And now let me show you the difference. I have some videos. So this video is filmed with normal stabilization mode, and this is super steady video, super stabilization mode, and this is the video without stabilization at all. So as you can see, the video without stabilization has the best quality. So the best practice of video shooting is to minimize the camera shaking while you're filming. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.